Okay naman magbabalik ha. Sige ma'am,
So, switch the button to test.
Okay.
And wait for the red flashing light.
Yes.
Then, put back to ready.
Position, okay.
And then, push to on.
Once you want to put on the light, you have to switch to on.
And wait for the white flashing light.
Okay, very good.
And then, after to close is to put the switch to ready.
Yo. Ay, ikaw muna, wala ka pang picture kasi video lang yun sa'yo. Hawakan mo lang. Nakalimutan ko mag-picture. Kasi meron eh. Oh, hinarap sa akin. Ayan. Okay, number 4, come on. Nakalimutan ko pinutin yung picture. Sige. Pagkatapos niya, sasoli ng group 1 ha. Lego ko rin naman ang group 2.
Test the EPIRB. Put the switch to test.
Sige lang. Ganun talaga yan. Yan.
Wait for the red flashing light.
Tingnan mo muna. Huwag mo muna siyang... Turbo mo muna. Yan. Tingnan mo yung red light.
Yan.
Oh, diba?
So the red
Okay,
flashing light.
Put back to ready position. Okay, cadet. Put light. Push.
And when you're ready to on the emergency, just push it.
Yun.
Wait for the white flashing light.
Okay, so si Ben is working ha.
Put it back to ready.
Okay, next. Number 5. Number 6. Pagkatapos nun, ibalik nyo dun ha.
Ako magbabalik sa.
Kayong dalawa.
So, this is EPIRB and test. Switch to left.
Put switch to ready.
And first red finger.
Okay.
Put the switch to the center and to on. Just push the button. And wait for the white thing. And red. Back the switch to the center.
Okay, balik doon. Come on. Tignan natin kung naintindihan yung sinabi ko. Ayusin ninyo ha. Yan. Okay. Paupuin na higi yung ano. Yan, very good. Sige, yung isa taga-pabin. Tagalagay yan ng pin, yung isa. Huwag mo na yan. Yan mo na. Baliktad! Sa itaas! Ang pating eh. O sige. Ayos na. Sige, dyan o. Yung isa. Yan. Sige. Very good. Yan, very good. Sige. O next, group 2. Sige, come on. Hawak dyan sa ano ha. Hawak dyan. Hawak sa ilalim. Sige. Hawak dito kasi tutulak yan eh.
Push na.
Putang mo sila sabi ko sa inyong dalawa eh. Let's move. Balik-balik naman yun. Kasi pagka binigyan doon, may spring yan eh. Steady mo lang. O yan, tingin doon sa ano. O sige. Switch to ready.
Now once it's ready, push the on button.
Push the push. Sige, push the push. Ayan. Teka lang. Yo. Yo. Put back the switch to ready. Yan. Okay, very good. Hindi pa oh. Ha? Kabado eh. Ayan. Kabado. Sige, test muna. Yun, the test mode.
You see the flashing red light, sir.
Yun, there is a flashing red light. Sige. Bring back to the ready position. Now, if you want to put to live the EPIRB, you have to push that button and then release. Yun.
Wait for the back.
Okay, next. Ayos. Next. Ipasa ang ang tanduay. Balik nyo dun sa
To test it, you switch it to the left and wait for the red flashing light.
yeah.
To put it back, just let go.
Para mo rin, may
to
unit na
activate
let
the
go.
curve, just push it, then wait for the flashing light, white flashing light. To put it back, just put it in the middle.
Okay, very good. Next! Nabura na natin yung kanina. Nawala, bumalik na yung ating confidence, ha? Sige.
Pwede na sa para dito. Testing keeper.
Pwede na bumalo, ha? Palo na sa inyo.
Working. To activate it, push the press button. The push button.
Yun. Yun.
And
Mamaya, antayin natin yung helicopter kung gate. Next! O yan, ha? Kayong dalawa magbabalik, ha? Kayong dalawa ni ano, ha? Ayusin.
To test it, slide it to the
Dito, ba? Tamaan ako ng racket.
then to on it. Push this button.
Yun.
Wait for the flashing light.
Yun. Kita, o. Teka mo na. Yan. Yan. Sige. O, balik muna tayo doon. Okay. Remove the split pin.
And then last is the safety light.
Yun. Yan. Gano'n. Very good. O, sige, punta doon. Dahan-dahan lang yung pagtatanggal. O, sige.
To test this lever, you must put the lever on the left side,
Yun.
then wait for the red flashing light.
Yes.
Then let go to ready. Then if you're ready, just push this button to on, then wait for the white flashing light.
Yun. So, mean to say, the battery is in good working condition. Okay, sige. Next.
This is keeper. Press this, and we have a red light and push.
Nilakad ka ba? Nilakad ka
We
ba?
have a white light and you will
Okay, very good. Sige, next. Nilakad eh.
So to test the hyper, just push the trigger
What?
and wait.
Bago yung trigger yun.
So after that, just put it back to its original position. And to activate the hyper, just push this button
Yun.
and wait for the light to show. And after that, just put it back to its position.
Okay, very good ha. Sige, next. Si ma'am. Ma'am, ikaw naman. Isipin nyo na yan. Ano yan? Johnny Walker yan.
So to activate the EV,
flashing light. Then after activating it is bring it back to the ready.
Okay, very good. Teka muna, shot muna, sir. Shot muna. Oh, next. Babalik. Ma'am, kayong dalawa. Bigyan mo yun kayo. Ayan ha, ma'am ha. Alam nyo na. O, alalay ka muna dito, Mr. Ano. Baka mauna. Ha? Alam mo. Oh. Yung groove ha, yung sa ilalim ha, kailangan yun, very good. Yan. O sige, yung isa taga-hawak ng ano. Yan. Very good talaga. Then, yung pin. Parang sakasakaan, taga-sabi ka doon. Yun. Galing naman mag-shoot eh. Shoot ka agad eh. Wala ka agad, wala ka sablay-sablay. Malalaki, tagal mag-shoot eh. Hindi malaman kung saan yung ano eh. Oh yan, very good. Sige, thank you ma'am. Okay, remove the split pin ha. Okay, once you remove the split pin, remove the safety pin. Then, slowly detach the bracket. Yes, very good.
Wait for the third touch then to activate it, wait for the white
Okay, very good. Iyo. Sige, balik. Ayun ha. May ano yan ha. Mayroon niyang kanan ha sa ilalim. Hindi pwedeng isalpak ng ano-ano lang yan. Baliktad. Pasabog yan. Ganyan. Oh. Ano yung kanan na dyan? Oh, hindi nyo pwedeng i-pwert. Tignan mo, hindi tama yan oh. Uy. Yan. Yun, very good. Palakpakan. Ayun na nga guys. So, yung shark, siguro kahit na okay. Yung mga trainees natin, ito. Tek naman bulilyaso. Okay. Sige, mamaya mag-interview tayo pagkatapos natin mag-exam. Para meron kayong mapanood dun sa natin. Okay? Sige. Natapos na rin kami sa aming activities. Thank you, sir. Okay guys, so thank you very much sa pagiging cooperative. Sana yung mga natutunan ang code doon sa ating hand steering mo dahil sa assessment. Kasi magpapa-assess kayo. So, no? Okay? Sige!
Sir!
No, come on!
Hey, Jununday! Ha? Sir, kanila sila rin sa kapan nila sa mission sa sir.
Okay, thank you very much guys.
Sir,
Thank you guys ha. Ay, subscribe kayo ha.
Hi, sir.
Bye-bye.